This is Tyap Wikimedia's user group, Bootcamp 2024.
Honestly, I was very excited. Excited in the sense that the Tyap Language Development Board, which is a creation from the defunct Tyap Literacy and Bible Translation Project. This board had decided that in order to teach people the Tyap language, how to speak it, how to read it, and how to write it, there is the need to establish literacy zones, which in turn will establish literacy centers, Tyap literacy centers, at which the Tyap language will be taught to all interested persons.
I have been part of the Tyap Wikimedia's user group since its very establishment, and I can say that I am part of the pioneering leadership of what we now have as the Tyap Wikimedia's user group, or as it is known in the Federal Republic of Nigeria as the Tyap Wikimedia's organization. I have been part of the pioneering leaders, and I think that alone qualifies my passion and my desire and this eventual participation in the program.
The event has been exciting and a time of learning and enjoying the moment with the people here. I believe that by the end of this program, I'll be able to improve on my editing skills and my spoken language over Tyap.
So far, so good. The event is like what I expected. My expectation for the events are really coming to pass. A lot of experiencing and networking, added knowledge and research.
We had a lesson, and I could see we had 2 participants who didn't have any Wikimedia usernames. They didn't have any account, and today they had their accounts created, and from what I could see, they are picking up, even though they have not heard of Wikimedia or Wikimedia projects before now, but they are actually picking up, and we hope that subsequently we'll have more people joining in, and it's ongoing. So I think I can rate what I could see today, maybe above 50.
In this event, I've started achieving things since the first day I joined the event, because I can say that I can speak my Tyap language fluently, and again I can be able to teach some people, because the way I speak, some people picks from it.
At the beginning, I was not able to read and write, but I can understand everything that is being said in my language. But right now, I can be able to understand, read, write, and even edit in the Wikipedia.
Was it a what you know, Masakut Nayana, you one, you what wants to over Jachad Battle Sakaja, you beings and Iliamu Manina.
I feel very honored and privileged to first of all be shortlisted for the event. It's a wonderful event and already it's looking very promising.
The primary objective of this whole event is to ensure that in the end, Tyap language and the Tyap people are brought to the fore, so that to people who know little or know nothing about the Tyap language and the Tyap people would get some knowledge that would help them, perhaps that could actually bring about people developing interest not only in Tyap language, but it might serve to challenge others to begin to do some work about their own languages.
Today is the beginning of the event. We have experienced at least some few challenges, but we were able to manage them the best way we can. So far, I would say the event is it's right on track, as it is just the first.